Well, hello. All right, so should we start with the bathroom? The best. Here's our bathroom. Little shower.
Makeup towels.
It's nice. Here's our, I guess this is a queen size bed. We're gonna get nice and comfortable on this trip. Little space for our, is this open? For our suitcase. Desk area. Mini fridge. And then drill, light, landline, water. Yeah. Here's our little hammock. Little bedside snack area. And then we have a little wardrobe here. Oh, or not. I guess this is the hanging rack. Our life jackets, I guess. Yep. Oh, they have reflective on them. Safe. Oh. Little tiny drawers. And basket. I guess that's convenient.